Hello friends, I am Tasneem Sefi and you are watching Tasneem's Vidyan Shastra. Welcome to Simple and Smart Learning. As you know children, we have started with General Science Standard 8 and we have completed our first lesson related to the living world and microbes, and I hope you liked that session. So, with the same success, moving ahead to the General Science Class 8 next lesson, the next topic that is related to the health and diseases. So let's begin with our new lesson, that is health and diseases, page number 6. So children, you know that the life is really a beautiful experience. The life is really a amazing, you can say, a god's gift, and this life we have to enjoy with full of, you can say, joy, satisfaction, peace of mind, and overall the fitness, overall things we have to keep in mind. So children, our life is really a precious gift of God, and this precious gift of God, we have to take care of it. So, children, you know that we are enjoying, we are doing our regular work. You also know that regular, a simple work, I am telling your example, the school going children, what you are able to do in the morning whenever you get up, a simply thing you see, that the regular routine you do, you get up, you take a bath, you do the prayers. After prayers, many are having the doing the exercise, habits of exercise. And even I'm talking about the students, so your regular duty that you have to take the breakfast, morning meal we call it as, and with the help of that immediately you move to school. When you move to school, you enjoy with your friends, then in school you enjoy, you learn many things, you have your breakfast, again you come home, then at home you have your lunch, your regular routine is going on. During this particular sequence, whenever it is going on, do you have any problem? Someday you feel like that ki today I don't want to go school, mama, I am not able to feel, I don't want to go school. Then your mama ask, what happened beta, why you don't want to go school? So sometime you say, many students are having different problems. Someone's head is spinning, someone's stomach is spinning, someone legs are spinning, or someone is having the fever. So different reasons are there, isn't it? And many times, then because of this reason, what happen, you take leave from school. So this is what the simple sickness you feel in your body, isn't it? So because of this sickness, what it says ki I am not well and I don't want to go. So this is what the small reason, and you don't want to come to school. This is one example. Now let's take another example of our grandparents. Everyone is having the grandparents, that is the dada dadi, nana nani, chacha chachi. So these all, they are also having their regular routine. So in the morning they get up, then they go for the walk, then they do exercise, or then they do their regular routine work, isn't it? And many times what happen, if they are not doing their regular work, means whatever they are feeling, whatever the regular work is there, if they are not doing this regular work, means there is some disturbance in their routine work. Whatever the routine work is there, in that they are feeling some डिस्टर्बेंस. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस व्हाट दे सेज कि ना, आज मेरे घुटनों में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, मैं चल नहीं पाऊँगा, मैं चल नहीं पाऊँगी, या फिर दे सेज कि आज मेरी कमर में दर्द है, आज मुझे थकावट लग रही है. या मैनी पीपल, मैनी आवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, दैट इज़ द ग्रैंड मामा, ग्रैंड पापा, they says ki today my bp is going up, today my blood pressure is going down, or I am feeling sick, blood sugar increases. Have you heard this many problems, isn't it? And they don't do their regular routine work, which is completely decided by them. Means whatever the routine work is there, so in that the disturbance is there. So this gives us the sickness. So this happens exactly what, so this happens कि they are not well, they are feeling sickness, but really what it is related to, it is related to your physical fitness, it is related to your mental status, that physically you are fit or not, mentally how you are thinking, and also it is related to your surrounding environment also. Now many time what happen if there is quarrel in the family, I'm not talking it is not there, the peoples are there, the members are there, so it may happen. So many time there is a quarrel in the family, or that a small up and downs comes in the family, so immediately the person feel sick, and due to this sickness they are not doing their regular work, they are feeling that they are not well. So these how the different reasons are there. So these all reasons you all are seeing, we all are seeing in our regular life. So what is this? This is nothing but simple related to our health. So health, what is this health then? So let's have an recall. So can you recall? In this there are three questions asked, that have you ever taken the leave from the school? Yes, of course, many times we are taking, just now I told you. And what happens exactly when we become a sick? So I told you that also. Okay, many times our stomach is spinning, sometime head is spinning, sometime cold is there, sometime cough is there, sometime fever is there, many different reasons are there. And even sometime we feel good without taking any medicine, and sometimes we need to consult a doctor also, so to take the regular medicine. So why it is so? What is it exactly? It is nothing but the related to your health. So these particular reasons are there. So these reasons are related to our health. So health, what is health then? Health from my side, it is a simple peace of mind, what I think. And what you think, dear? What is health according to you? You just think and note it down in your notebook. Always keep textbook in front of you while learning. Okay. So exactly, then health. What is the meaning of health according to the World Health Organization? The World Health Organization, WHO, they have decided this particular statement for the health, ki what is exactly health means in the scientific world. So health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-beings, and not only merely the absence of disease. So health, it is not like that only you should have a very dangerous diseases, that is not related to health. Health means overall three concepts we have to keep in mind, and these three concepts are the most important. That is, World Health refers to the state of complete emotional, physical, and you will see the social well-beings. So you know that I gave you different example. So physical fitness, I told you now, whatever regular work you are doing, that work if there is a disturbance in that work you are not doing, means it is related to somehow your health. Then all these three impacts should be togetherly affecting, not only one. Along with the physical, your mental status. So according to mental status and according to your social, so these three terms combine, they give the complete meaning of health. What is the health? So let's have a look over it. In 1948, WHO, World Health Organization, defined health a complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease. Only disease is not only the important thing, but the related three things are there. Physical, mental and social things are also related to our life. So then what is this physical? So let's have one by one look. I gave you already one example, but still, the physical, a person who has good physical health is to have bodily functions or bodily functions and working at peak. They are working very nicely, all the body parts are accurately, and they all are doing all their regular exercise, having proper diet and doing all the work in a proper timing. Or you can say the regular exercise, along with that the adequate rest also you have to take, a proper rest. And the good physical health is nothing but these all small aspects we have to keep in mind. Then what is the mental health? Mental health means what? It is not like that you should be mentally sick. mentally sick means whatever the word in Hindi we are using पागल, ऐसे नहीं होता है. The word पागल is not related to mental health. Mentally, or you can say the mental health means you are depressed, sometime you get angry, sometime your physical fitness is good, but sometime mentally you are disturbed, maybe because of some reason, maybe because of friends, maybe because of family. But the most important reason is economy. पैसा, पैसा बहुत अच्छा भी होता है और बहुत बुरा भी होता है. सो दिस मनी दैट मैटर्स, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द मनी मोस्ट ऑफ द मेंटल सिकनेस कम रिलेटेड टू द मनी ओनली. सो मेंटल हेल्थ रिफर्स टू द पर्सन्स इमोशन, ये इमोशन से जुड़ा होता है. सोशल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल वेलबींग, it is important as physical health, and it is a part of peace of mind. That is our lifestyle also. Many time lifestyle also matters. For example, if I am telling ki baba, your friend is having lots of things, they are having, the parents are giving mobile, cycle, vehicle, phones, and different types of, you can say, dresses, shoes, different types of vehicles, or even you can say laptop and this and that. And suppose the another friend, he doesn't have all these things, the parents are so curious about it, they are very good, they don't want to spoil the child in the childhood only, so they don't allow this all thing. They says ki whenever you will grow up, we will give you all facilities, but not now. So this makes the physical, or the, sorry, psychological depression to you, ki my friend is having so many things, he is driving vehicle and my father is not giving me vehicle, what is this? So this gives you the physical along with that mental sickness. This is called the mental health, ki you are disturbed. So it depends on individual's perception, means everyone's perception is different, everyone's reason is different, everyone's planning is different, so according to their experience. So based on the environment or upbringing, or you can say the good mental health is the absence of depression. The best mental health is absence of depression. You don't have to take any depression, you have to be a good काम एंड साइलेंस. एनजाइटी नहीं होनी चाहिए, गुस्सा ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, हाइपर टेंशन नहीं होना चाहिए. सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स मेक्स यू मेंटली इल. ज़रूरी नहीं है पागल ही मेंटल होते हैं. Mental sickness means the small points also that make us sick. So this is what the mental health. Whatever if anyone is feeling, there is one more example I will give, ki there are two girls are there, they both are best friend. So one girl is little bit hefty, obese means heavy, and one girl is very thin, slim trim. So there also comes the disturbance, mental disturbance, because they think कि देखो मेरी फ्रेंड कितनी स्लिम ट्रिम कितनी अच्छी है और मैं देखो कैसे मोटी मोटी हूँ. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. कोई मोटा पतला नहीं होता. ऑल आर गुड लुकिंग, ऑल आर स्मार्ट, all are having their own physique. So this also gives the mental sickness, depression या stress कि why I am looking like that. See, everyone is having God's gift. सभी God gifted है. तो कोई मोटा पतला छोटा बड़ा गरीब अमीर नहीं होता है. This is all related to your life and your life's gift. So accept it. So then you will get the peace of mind. So this is what mental. Now social. What is social health? So social, the first thing come, that is economic. मैंने कहा ना पैसा. Because of money, what happens? It feels the complex comes in one's individual's mind. So here in this way, the financial status, the living style, the family, community, social culture, many things are there which is related to the social. Then relationship with others, family background, your upbringing, how you are, and most common, that is the economic affecting the social health. So these three things all are good in one person, then it is said that he is a healthy person. Else if any one is also not good in you, then it is said that you are a sick person. So बीमार होना ये हेल्थ का डेफिनेशन नहीं है कि आप हेल्दी सभी है. अगर आपको टेम्परेचर है, सर्दी है, खांसी है, तो आप हेल्दी हो. आप ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि मैं हेल्दी नहीं हूँ. नहीं, दैट इज़ द सिंपल सिम्टम्स ऑफ लिटिल बिट sickness. So that is not health. You are healthy. If you are unfit by physical fitness, if you are unfit by mental fitness, If you are unfit by social fitness, then only it is said that you are not healthy. वरना सारे लोग healthy ही होते हैं. So this is what the health. So let's have then moving towards, if you are talking this is health, then what is the disease then? फिर ये disease क्या है? So disease, it is a simple condition or the disturbance in the physiological or psychological process. Means your regular routine you are doing, in that routine if any one thing you don't do, that is the disturbance in your routine, and that disturbance is nothing but the disease. Because of that you feel sick. So when you feel sick, you are affecting with some disease, and each disease has its own specific symptoms. So according to this, there are different types of diseases. Each one is having their own, you can say specific, you can say types. So then this type of diseases, how it is? So you must have heard the various names. जैसे कि आप आपके आसपास आप सुनते हो कि डायबिटीज़ हुआ है, ब्लड प्रेशर हाई है, बीपी की गोली ली या नहीं ली, आई एम फीलिंग कोल्ड, आई एम फीलिंग हॉट, आई एम फीलिंग coughing, sneezing, asthma, Down syndrome, heart disease, many problems are there. So these all different problems are nothing but these are the diseases, and these diseases brings the coordination in the scientific study of disease, that is the classified as follows. So let's have a look what are these. So the types of diseases. In these types of disease you will see there are two types of diseases, that is according to duration and according to reason. According to duration means short term disease, long term disease, and according to reasons, different reasons are there. Some are having the family background, in that the diseases are coming from grandparents to parents, parents to students, children's, and some are having the long term suddenly because of the surrounding community. Nowadays we are facing the corona, how it is immediately this affected pandemic disease ke everywhere everyone is getting affected. So such type of diseases are there. So let's have towards the duration. So in that, the chronic disease. What is chronic disease? Simple, a long lasting in its effects that comes with the time. So word chronic is applied to the last disease more than 3 months, means any disease which is having more than 3 months effect is called as a chronic disease, and sometimes it is very एवरलास्टिंग मीन्स लॉन्ग लाइफ रहता है, पूरी ज़िंदगी तक कोई डिसीजेस रहते हैं, और इवन यू कैन से इट टेक्स योर लाइफ ऑल्सो. सो दीज आर द क्रॉनिक डिसीज. इट इंक्लूड्स अर्थराइटिस, अस्थमा, कैंसर, you can say diabetes, viral disease, they like hepatitis B, HIV, or disease like long form till the death, it chronic which damages your body. In this way the chronic diseases are there. Then acute disease. Acute, the word itself comes in front of you. Geometrical figure, you remember the geometrical figure. In this what happened, one straight line is there and less than 90 degree. In this way the small l you will see less than 90 degree the angle is there, so it is small angle, so it is called as an acute. So the word acute is the short, small. So these acute, that is opposite to the chronic disease. So acute disease include rapid and short courses. छोटी छोटी बीमारियां, सर्दी, खांसी, आप कह सकते हो ये इंजर्ड होना, गिर जाना, जख्म होना, थोड़ी थोड़ी बातें. सो दिस रैपिड शॉर्ट कोर्स इन होल बॉडी, एनी पार्ट गेट अफेक्टेड, पूरे बॉडी में कहीं पर भी कुछ भी हो सकता है छोटा सा. सो दैट पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी इज कॉल्ड एज एन इल और इलनेस और इंजुरी. So acute disease does not, you can say, cause damage to the body, just simply a not well. So in this way fever, cold, cough, typhoid, malaria, flu, छोटी छोटी diseases होती है. So according to this the duration ways these two diseases are there. Now according to reason, there are various reasons nowadays for the diseases. So now the coronavirus is going on. So what is the reason? Pandemic disease. The reason behind it is how the people are getting contact with one another, and because of that in whole world it got, you can say, spreaded all over the world. So there are two types according to reason: hereditary disease and one acquired disease. So heredity word itself says that it comes from one to another. Hereditary, you have seen that there are many children in that the mental ability is not completely properly developed, means there are some mentally retarded students or children are there, so that come because of their hereditary. Because in mother and father, because of some chromosomal you can say location of the chromosomes, or because of some pairing in chromosomes is not good, the children get affected. So because of the parents to parents to child, in this way from the hereditary this come, मीन्स खानदानी बीमारी जो कहते हैं ना, ऐसे होता है. दैट इज़ द हेरिडिटरी डिसीजेस एंड दिस डिसीज इट मे बी कॉज लॉन्ग लाइफ डिसीज. ओके, so this is what the hereditary disease. There are various diseases which causes hereditary way. There are white color patches on the body. तो कहते हैं कि बाबा आपके दादा को था, मुझे भी है, मेरे बच्चों को भी होता है, कई बार ऐसे होता है. Now acquired disease. Acquired, the word that is one began at some point on the lifetime, means that disease are primary disease that begins after birth. At the same, means after birth anytime this disease may get affected. So according to this particular part, you will see in acquired disease it is further classified into two types, that is infectious disease and non-infectious disease. Infectious disease, immediately it get infectious by one person to another person, and non-infectious disease, in this non-infectious disease you will see that the diseases which are not infected by person to person but it may cause suddenly you have heard कि अरे उनको हार्ट अटैक आ गया, अचानक उन्हें एडमिट करना पड़ा, ऐसे होता है ना, या अरे इनको स्ट्रोक हो गया, ब्रेन हैमरेज हो गया, चलते चलते गिर पड़े, ऐसे कई सारी चीज़ें होती है. सो दे आर नॉन इन्फेक्शियस, सडनली इट हैपन्स. डायबिटीज़, ब्लड प्रेशर, so they are not infectious. If we touch one another hand, if we hugs one another, if we come in contact with one another, there is no any spread of disease. So this non-infectious disease. But infectious disease, when we come in contact with one another, immediately if one child is facing chicken pox or smallpox, immediately in the class next to him he or she will suffer with the same chicken pox or smallpox. Or in the colony, if anyone is having conjunctivitis, आँख आना कहते हैं ना, अगर किसी एक बच्चे को आँख आती है तो तुरंत घर में फैमिली में सभी को आँख आ जाती है, या तो आस पड़ोस में सबको ये डिसीज़ हो जाता है. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एन इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज़. जैसे कि कोरोना बहुत ही खतरनाक और इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज़ है कि एक लोगों से हज़ारों लोगों तक फैल रहा है. So this is how the infectious and non-infectious disease. So these particular diseases, whatever we are seeing in that, then moving ahead, how these infectious diseases are spreading. So there is the most important reason, that is a person, human being itself. So what it is, can you tell? So you have to tell this question answers. How do the following diseases spread? So hepatitis. Now how hepatitis spread? Hepatitis is a contagious disease. It spread through contaminated water and food. If you are drinking dirty water, if you are eating open and contaminated food, कई दिनों का बचा हुआ खाना या खुला खाना, या कई बार होटलों में या बाहर हम कई बार हॉकर्स के पास से गंदी वाली चीज़ से बनी हुई चीज़ें लेते हैं, तो हो सकता है वो कंटामिनेटेड हो. In this way, then malaria get bitten by the mosquito. Malaria spread by the mosquito. So when mosquito sits here and there, flies they sits here and there, and they come in contact with you, and then you feel the problem. Then about the malaria or about the scabies spread skin to skin by handshakes, or by giving the hugs, or by using the clothes, or by bed, towel, comb, many things we are using in our family, one person to other person. Because of that scabies they move. Then ringworm यानी दाद खाज खुजली कहते हैं ना, वो होता है. So ringworm, they also contagious, they also spread by one another's contact, when you come in contact with one another. Or even you can say the ringworm or the fungal diseases, there are many diseases, they all cause with the contagious one. Then what do you mean by pathogen? These contagious disease spread because of pathogens, because of bacteria which is present in the surrounding air and which is present in the infected person's body. So through this body, the pathogen that comes out, it is a microorganism that causes disease and that damages host. ये body हमारी host है, and this virus when enter in our body, it makes you weak, and these weak person we call it as patient. So when this patient cough, sneeze, or you can say talk, that time from his mouth the small droplets of sputum comes out. Even though if you are spitting, in the spitting thousands and thousands of bacteria and virus and pathogens spread everywhere in the surrounding, you know that. Because of that you feel lots of problems, and in this the area you will see in our mouth, see thousands of different types of viruses, good and bad viruses, bacteria, pathogens, so many things are present in our body and our surroundings. So while sneezing, while coughing, they come out and immediately in the air they spread everywhere, and these fine small particles they remain in the air for several hours, for several minutes. कई घंटों तक, कई हफ्तों तक ये हवा में वायरसेस घूमते होते हैं एंड वो स्प्रेड हो जाते हैं, एंड व्हेन अदर person comes nearby, immediately this virus enter in their body and they cause the infection. In this way the contagious diseases because of the pathogens causes. So your body is naturally full of microbes. See, so many are there. This is only one part in one spit. बस एक ड्रॉप में इतने सारे होते हैं, तो सोचो हमारे बॉडी में कितने होंगे. Our body is full of microbes, our surrounding is full of microbes. So this makes your body weak, and pathogen can spread through skin contact, body fluids, airborne particles, or you can say contact with the feces, touching. In this way the problems goes on, and this is how you are facing the problem of the pathogens. So this spreading of diseases, or this how it goes, that we are going to see with the help of simple. You will see this chart. So you are having this chart in your normal figure. See, so in this chart, see children, you will see there are different types of diseases given, infectious diseases, and these diseases how they spread with the contaminated air, water, food, vectors, and what is the pathogen, which type of pathogen it is having, mode of infection, and the symptoms, and you will see prevention and treatment. So tuberculosis, it is having the Mycobacterium tuberculin, and that spread with the spitting by patients through air, prolonged contact with the sharing of materials of just now I told, and this is a chronic cough, छोटी सी खांसी सर्दी होती है. Then blood spitting, the spitting blood comes out of your mouth and it gives your body emaciation, your body become very thick and thin, you become all your, you can say the eyes, sunken eyes, your eyes goes inside, and these BCG, and it is supported or it is prevented with the help of vaccine called as, or the treatment BCG vaccine, isolation of patients, regular medication like DOT, directly observed treatment. It is a short course called as an DOT, and this treatment you have to give to the tuberculosis. This spread easily, this may take your life also. Okay, so this is how the different diseases are there. So children, read each disease and see the hepatitis B. So this is caused by the virus hepatitis A, B, C, D, E, the name of virus. And this caused due to the contaminated water, sharing of needles, blood, transfusion, so many things. And this particular symptoms of this is the yellow urine. Your urine will become dark yellow. You feel weakness, nausea, यानी चक्कर आना, वॉमिटिंग जैसे होना, या तो फिर हमारी जो स्टूल होती है वो ग्रे कलर की होती है. स्टूल मीन्स द फीकल मैटर वॉट एवर यू रिलीज फ्रॉम योर बॉडी, एक्सक्रीट ऑफ द बॉडी. ओके, दैट इज वी कॉल इट एज पॉटी ऑल्सो. जो पॉटी होती है वो ग्रीन कलर की होती है. देन यू हैव टू प्रिवेंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग बॉइल्ड वाटर and proper cleaning of hands. So you have to take care of it. See, such type of pathogens, they are always moving in our surrounding, and they are continuously nearby us. So in this way they spread. Then you will see the dysentery, cholera, typhoid. These all are also different types of diseases present in our surrounding, and how the name of the bacteria which is affected and how they are, you can say, spread. In this, when what precautions you have to take, it's all given in this chart. So you have to read this chart and you have to see how this all things are happening. Not only this, but children, if you will see all this, then you have to prepare a similar table. One more, how the last table is there, same like that you have to prepare the table of information about the virus disease, like enteritis inflammation of intestine, means हमारी आंतड़ियों की बीमारी, intestine की बीमारी. Okay, so because of that the diarrhea also occurs, continuous vomiting and loose motions, then malaria, plague and AIDS. So these are the 4 diseases. You have to make a chart similar to like this only. In this way you have to make a chart and then you have to do this activity. So this activity gives you the more information about this 4, you can say, diseases. And not only this, you have to search the reason, you have to search the symptom and information of chicken pox also. This is your task, activity to you, and you have to collect the information related to chicken pox and these diseases, and then you have to note it down. So these all diseases, how they are causes, from that only one reason is given here, one simple effect is given, that is you have to observe and discuss. Whenever we will meet in front of you, that time we will discuss, but right now I will tell you what it is. This is nothing but our surrounding is dirty. If our surrounding is not clean, they may carry such type of mosquitoes, flies, bacteria, microbes, viruses, pathogens in all these dirty places. Means continuous garbage, environment is not clean, or dustbin is not cleaning properly, there nearby the all surrounding things are not good, you are dumping all the dirt here and there, or the water logged in this tire. Nowadays rainy season is there, so in rainy season everywhere the water get logged, and this water, if it is continuously storing in dirty place, it give rise to larvae, that is the dangerous mosquitoes and the flies and the diseases causing bacteria and pathogens. The barrels or storing water, many days you are storing water, you are not cleaning your tanks, so that gives rise to the dangerous diseases. Or on the wall or nearby your flower pot, you are not changing the water, in that water n number of larvae are there. So these all makes us the hazardous and dangerous, you can say, the diseases, and these particular diseases caused due to all this surrounding dirty things. So you have to keep your surrounding clean, then only you will not get affected by all these dirty microbes. So keep in mind, keep yourself clean and healthy. If you will keep yourself healthy, surely you will be a good and healthy person by the 3 points, that is physically, mentally and socially. I hope you like this session. So if you like, visit to the channel Tasneem's Vidyan Shastra. Again you watch all the videos and you just enjoy the learning. Till then, thank you. Have a nice time, children. Jai Hind.